Vacuuming is one chore, mopping is another, and cleaning the mop afterward might be the worst part of the entire process. But the UWANT D100 claims that it can vacuum dry debris, clean wet messes, mop the floor, wash its own roller, and dry it when you are finished. Man, that all sounds great. But can this machine really replace both your vacuum and a traditional mop? So today we are taking a look at something slightly different from the usual computers, computer accessories and keyboards and networking equipment that I usually unbox and review. So this is the UWANT D100, a cordless wet and dry floor cleaner designed to vacuum and mop at the same time. So it includes smart cleaning mode, separate clean and dirty water tank, an edge-to-edge roller, a lay flat design, and a self-cleaning system with hot air drying. You want to send this unit out for review, and all my opinions are my own. So the D100 arrived in a fairly large box, but as you can see, everything is packed securely and separated into individual sections, which I truly like. So in the box, what do you get? So you get the men UWANT D100 vacuum body, you get the handle, and also you get a charging base and a self-cleaning base that are pretty easily put together. You get two roller brushes, one replacement filter, or two filters total. So one already in the water tank, and then you have an extra one, a bottle of UWANT cleaning solution.
UWANT D100 at your service. Smart mode. Start cleaning.
Okay, let's get straight to the testing. As you can see, I have some coffee ground, some milk on the left, and some juice on the right. The juice is very hard to see because of the color of the towel, and I'm sorry for that. So yeah, we're making a latte right now. All right, so we just got coffee first, some milk, and then the juice. You figure that out. But anyway, so what's really nice about this vacuum is that the main controls are located directly on the handle, right? So it's very ergonomic, for you can reach them with your thumb. You have the power button, a three-mode selection button, and the self-cleaning control. The vacuum starts in smart mode, as you can hear earlier, which is designed to adjust its cleaning performance depending on how much dirt it detects. You can also switch it to a more powerful boost mode or use the dry suction mode when you don't want water dispensed into the roller. The display shows information such as the remaining battery level, selected cleaning mode, and maintenance warning. The D100 also provides voice prompt, as you could hear earlier, letting you know when the dirty water tank needs attention, when the clean water tank is empty, or when self-cleaning has started. The voice guidance can be useful, although some people may eventually want to reduce the volume if they prefer quieter appliances. So there's a control on the left, like a speaker um, button that kind of lets you adjust and control. Or you can turn it completely off if you don't want to be bothered by a talking vacuum. Okay, so next I'm gonna let you guys hear some of those prompts, and so you guys can get acquainted too.
Power off. Power off. Please return to the charging station. Start charging. Start charging. Roller brush cleaning in progress.
Okay, so in this section, I'll go ahead and demonstrate how to Take the roller out. As you can see, there's two tabs. Um, top, press them, and also there's the little white um square button on the side. Once you push it, it'll go ahead and release this little clip. It was just gonna fly open anyway, so easier for you to get it out. As you can see, it's pretty hollow on the inside. Um, and then you get just the motorized part. As you can see, very sturdy. Like I said, the build quality of this vacuum is pretty impressive. And and also you have the ability to clean it. Yeah, you can use a hose to wash it, or you can wash it like I'm doing right now, right in the shower using a the shower head, as the components down there are waterproof. Just don't get water on top where the controls are, um, where your battery indicator is at. So that might cause a bit of a problem. But beside that, yeah, pretty easy to take out and put back together. So the D100 comes with a dual tank system. So which means it keeps clean water and dirty water separated. Clean water is fed onto the roller, while the dirty water, dust, food, and other debris are pulled into a separate collection chamber. This means the machine isn't repeatedly spreading the same dirty water across your floor like a traditional mop can. There's also a separator inside the dirty water tank that helps keep solid debris away from the liquid. That makes emptying the tank slightly less disgusting, but let's be honest, cleaning out dirty wet vacuum tank is never going to be the most enjoyable part of the experience. So as you can see, it's a very decent size tank. I just not crazy about how you fill it up, and also the not sure about the longevity of this rubber seal cap that's keeping the water from um, getting out of the tank. So, and also it does have a deodorizing stick, the little orange part you see down there. So you don't get an extra one of those. So if you one of these are run out, you're gonna have to purchase your own from UWANT. I wish they included one, just like we have two rollers and an extra filter, but you don't get extra one of those. But again, good practice is also just keep emptying the tank, and just don't let dirty water sit in there, especially if you picked up certain things that that can create mold. And that's, for example, on the testing I made, I was picking up milk. We all know about spoiled milk, so I'm not gonna let that sit in the tank. I have to empty this right away. So again, when you move the filter right on top, the grease can get in there as well. So okay. Also, the filter itself, you can take it apart and do some more cleaning, and to the little foam inside of it that you can remove, that you can clean as well. So yeah, I can see there was a lot of debris um that came out of that. So yeah, maybe not right away or the same exact day, but do not let dirty water sit in there for days at a time. Just make sure it's good practice to always empty it out. Also, the tank is not that huge, because if you have a large flooring and you keep using it, it's gonna ask you to empty it out anyway, especially the dirty water.
tank to prevent bacterial growth. Drying paused. Start cleaning. Detecting cleaning in low clearance area. Adjusting suction automatically. Power off. Please return to the charging station. Start charging.
So one feature I immediately like is the push-in docking design. Instead of lifting the entire vacuum and carefully lining it up with the charging contact, you can simply roll it onto the base. This sounds minor, but it makes docking a heavy wet dry vacuum much more convenient. Also, I do like the handle, the way it can lock in, and also it can float, make it kind of easier to maneuver the vacuum around. Okay, let's highlight some key features of this vacuum. We have a powerful 18,000 pascal suction with smart AI. We have self-cleaning and hot air drying. We have the 180-degree lay flat design and dual edge cleaning. We have a built-in odor removal system, long-lasting battery life, which is about 35 minutes, and also the docking station. So, with all that being said, this is proven to be a very well-rounded device. Okay, couple things I like about the D100. First, it handles dry debris and wet spills in a single cleaning session. And second, the lay flat design is more than a marketing gimmick. It genuinely makes cleaning under furniture easier. And third, the dual edge ruler does a good job cleaning close to walls and cabinets. I also like the power movement where the roller is propel the device forward, which is very good. Like it feels like you're getting some help when it comes to moving this thing around. And also, I like the comfortable handle, the clear display, and a voice notification. And finally, the push-in dock and automatic roller cleaning system make the D100 much easier to live with than the traditional mop and bucket. And real quick, things I don't like is wet floor cleaner is the general cleanup after the cleanup. You still have to empty the dirty water tank, remove wet debris, rinse the separator, check the filter, and occasionally clean the roller manually. The self-cleaning cycle helps, but it does not eliminate that responsibility. So at $240, the D100 makes the most sense for someone with mostly hard flooring who regularly deals with crumbs, bad hair, tracked in dirt, food spills, and other mixed messes. It is especially useful for kitchens, dining rooms, bathrooms, and homes with children or pets. It is less suitable for someone with mostly carpet or someone who only needs a lightweight, dry vacuum. You're trading some post-cleaning maintenance for the ability to vacuum and mop your floors in one pass. For a rat household, this is a worthwhile trade. And finally, so is the D100 worth it? Based on my testing, the D100 is a capable wet dry vacuum that performs particularly well on every hard floor messes. It has a strong pickup, useful smart features, good maneuverability, effective edge cleaning, and one of the most practical lay flat design I've tested. The self-cleaning and drying system also makes roller maintenance more manageable, even though you still need to empty and rinse the dirty water component yourself. You will not completely replace a regular vacuum in a carpet-heavy home, and it will not remove every stubborn stain instantly. But if most of your home has hard flooring and you want to combine vacuuming and mopping into one job, the UWANT D100 can genuinely make that routine faster and more convenient. All right, guys, this is it for me. And let me know in the comment what you're using as a wet dry vacuum. See you in the next one.